Now, if someone else says that, okay, you do this 51 times, 151 times, 1,24,000 times, 1,000 times. We say, okay, give us proof. This is a matter of religion. Give us proof from the Quran, from the Sunnah. We will do it. If there is no proof, then we cannot fix numbers in matters of religion, neither as far as nor as mustahab. This is an innovation in religion. For example, you have 5 chairs in your drawing room. No, you keep 5, you keep 6, you keep 7. It's not a problem. You have 6 bulbs in your room. You have 6 bulbs, 3 bulbs, not a problem. But if you give a religious angle to it, now you need to give proof. If you say there is a great reward in having 6 bulbs in the bedroom and 4 bulbs in the hall, then you have to give proof. I hope this is clear. The first point is time. The second point is number. For example, so many people say on the first Thursday of every month, we should gather together and read La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimeen 1,24,000 times. Now the problem is the Prophet ﷺ did not give this number 1,24,000. And the Prophet ﷺ did not specify this time of the first Thursday of every month. Now reading La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimeen is something good. But the time and the number which is not specified makes this whole action as an innovation. Now we should fear that when we do new things in religion, our beloved Prophet ﷺ may say to us on the Day of Judgment, Suhkan, suhkan liman ghayyara ba'di. This is the second type. Let's repeat. First type, time. Giving a time of the day, of the month, of the year. Giving a time which the Prophet ﷺ did not give makes it an innovation. Number 2, the number. Giving it a number not given by our Prophet ﷺ makes it an innovation. Number 3, place. If we fix a place which is not given in the Quran, not given in the Sunnah, it's an innovation. For example, our beloved Prophet ﷺ, he has fixed several places and given special significance to certain places. For example, tawaf. We do tawaf of the Kaaba. If a person does tawaf of any other place, it is an innovation. Now you cannot say, no, we are doing tawaf. Tawaf is proven. No, but tawaf of the Kaaba is proven. Sa'i. Sa'i is of Safa to Marwa, Marwa to Safa. Sa'i is over there. Now if someone says, no, I don't have money to go for Hajj and Umrah, I will just run from this place to that place in my own city. This is wrong. Why? The place has changed. We have the miqat fixed by the Prophet ﷺ. If a person fixes a place which is not fixed in the Quran and Sunnah, it becomes an innovation. So someone says that you get up at 12 o'clock in the night and you go to your terrace or any place under the open sky and you read Darood 12 times. I just made this up as an example to understand. So here what happens, reading the Darood is a good action. But if a person fixes the time 12 o'clock, if he fixes the place under the open sky, if he fixes the number 12, which he doesn't have any proof to do, then this is wrong.